Hello again, everybody. Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader at TheTechTrader.com. It's Thursday, December the 21st. These are the charts of the day, and as we do every Thursday, a quick, well, not so much a quick, because there's a lot of them, review of the swings of the last few weeks, about 30. And we're going to take a look at some pretty interesting charts. Take a look at alphabetically AI, which popped out and then pulled right back. Unfortunately, I don't like it when I see that. And plus, the volume on the breakout wasn't heavy enough. So at this point, I need Carvana over 34. To get rolling into the high 30s and low to mid 40s. AMRX, Tech Trader swing, which broke through a triple top pullback and now is running again, has target to 6.25 and 7.25. Applied Digital APLD, nice up 47 cents on or 7% today on 2.4 million. And when the charts come up, I'll talk about it. There we go. So APLD broke out of its declining top line up through the moving averages, then took out lateral price resistance and tested secondary resistance over the last couple of days. We get to this level, we're probably looking at 8 and then 10. Apps, the Tech Trader swing we put out here has moved up nicely. Currently at the major declining top line or just above it. Lateral price resistance comes in about 7.75. Secondary target 9.25. AUTL has been a beautiful uptrend. It continues to do so after breaking it out, pulling back and starting again. Approaching target to a 6. Secondary target beyond that, 7.25. CBAY technologies backed off, but and then mid weeks ago, over the last couple of weeks, from 67 and change to 75. Ultimate target now is going to be around 88. EyePoint, another Tech Trader swing, which popped, pulled back, and when hell they put a swing on it, and then popped and backed off again. It's now got beautiful coil, low volume ebb, underlying technicals look good, and now looking for a retest of the 24 area, beyond that 28. GPS, one of the strongest retail chain stocks, has gone from 9.5 to 22 near term to breaking out a large base pattern. My extension target now is going to be 25.5. Iovance came out of a major declining channel, moving averages crossed over. It coiled, it flagged, and it keeps stair-stepping higher. The next target is around 9.5. MP popped out, pulled back. We put a swing on it. Today was an exceptional day for it. As it yesterday reversed downward, couldn't fall through to the downside. And today, right back up there from 18.25 to 2012, finished 20.05, up 189. Looks like this one may be headed to 22.75 and 25.5. Micron, another semiconductor with a long-term rising channel, looking solid near the upper end of that channel though. If it is an momentum extension, it's 88. Nano-X, after a long downtrend, now you may remember, guys, when we put a swing on it when it popped here, that worked out well. Over the next month, it more than doubled, and then came down over a 4 or 5 month period, steady decline. Broke out, tested the moving averages, they crossed over. It's now poised to pop, and I mean, it can go vertical. Targets 8.75, 9, and then 10.75, 11. Oscar, one of our old swings, is snapping back smartly today. You can see the breakout of the wedge, or the ascending bull wedge, should lead near term to a test of the 9.75 range, and then 10.75. PI broke out, pulled back, and started to go. We put a swing on it in the mid 60s. It's reached the low 90s, 91 and change, and now backed off. I think it's not done yet. Next target, 109, 112. RNA broke out, flagged and popped sharply, and then pulled back to test, held, and it's moved up now. Looks like I want to take this one higher, 10 and 12.25 type targets. Run in the solar group, Sunrun, broke out a month ago, and it's been stair-stepping its way up in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-way move. We're going to spike up on this wave. Next target, if there's an extension, if you retest the high, that might be add. That has to come in at 23 3/4. Sigma came out of an inverse head and shoulders today, a right-handed extended V, but it's at the declining tops line. You got to hold it right there. Extension would be 42 plus. Scholar Rock, the biotech, doing well. Popped out of a wedge. We put a swing on it and went vertical. Now flagging. I don't think it's done yet. Targeting 25. SSYS will certainly turn the corner. Moving average end price. Now looking for an extension or a test of 15.5. And STNE, beautiful rising channel. This South American software stock broke out, popped again, multiple waves up. Doesn't look done yet. Next target, 19 3/4. SYM, back and filled in this area. As long as it holds 48, 8.5, I'm good. On the upside, I need 60, 61 taken out so we can reach and test the next level. Unity software, another tail reversal here. Mini wedge at the moving averages, pop breakout flag, and again, looking good here. But if it's going to extend from these levels, the target's 46. And Unisys, which popped out and we put a swing on it, has kept going very nicely here. They're breaking this trend line as well. You can see where key resistance is up there at 580, 586. Yep, we don't have to do anything. Okay, let's see. Up next, and I believe near the end, UPST. Look at that breakout of the inverse head and shoulders here, or lateral price resistance flag and popping another flag. So to me, from here it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm looking for one more wave to 59. Viking Therapeutics. Nice chart. Breakaway gap, current flag. Next target 22 and 26. VZIO. Nice pattern. Big engulfing reversal bar off the trend line. Next target 8.5 and 9.15. Wolf. Inverse head and shoulder, breakout flag, breakout flag. Solid looking chart. Underlying technicals look good. 49.50 is your target zone. And finally, wheat and precious metals, the leader in silver production, I believe, worldwide. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth way is underway with a 1, 2. If we get a 3, 4, 5, could be low to mid 50s. And that is going to be it for my swing trade review for this week. And have a great evening, everybody. Talk to you tomorrow.